Hey guys, I wanted to show you several things. Well, three things. I guess it's around three things that I want to show you that I have really enjoyed for the month of July. First of all, I've showed this before, the Wow Dream Coat. And I spray that on my hair for the frizzies. And they've got another one that's come out that I've just seen. It's probably been out before and didn't know about it. It's for curly hair, which my hair is very curly. So I have ordered that. So once that comes in, I'll let you know how I like that. But this, when I want to blow it, especially my front, I want to blow dry it straight or straight iron it. I put this on it. But in the last couple weeks, and you see I haven't used very much, this is the Wow Speed Dry, and I have noticed that it has no alcohol in it. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any alcohol in it. Let's see. These glasses are not the prettiest, but that's okay, right? All right, let's see. It does not. Let's see. This speed reduces blow drying, less physical stress, which can cause breakage, and less heat exposure. Shampoo and condition with color wild, which I do not. I do it with another, well, I think any kind of shampoo for me. Towel dry high, generously sprayed, speed dry, blow dry on hair, comb through. Use the styling aids as desired. Blow dry and finish. Let's see. Doesn't say, but I sure read it somewhere. I thought I did that it doesn't have alcohol in it. And let's see down here. Reduces drying, alcohol free. Yeah, on the front. After reading all that. But it is alcohol free. But it does. Let it go. Now, my hair today was very, very curly. And I have these little, what are these, scrunchies or whatever they're called. And I put it in my hair and put it up in a ponytail back here, back of my head. And then when it gets dry, and it's getting almost dry now, I just did that front with this. I did spray a little bit on the other to see if it would do, but I put these on the back, let it get a little dry, and there you go. Now, that being said, I have really enjoyed this Redken Curvaceous for all curl types, and I just put enough on my hair about, let's see, probably about a size of a quarter. And then I just rub it in my hands, and then I just put it all through my hair. And I'm really liking this. So I've used right much. I've probably used down to there in it now, but yeah, I like this. Anyway, those are the three things I wanted to show you. So I love these little scrunchy things. But my hair being curly, I do that. Like I said, I've ordered the curly on the Wow to see for curly hair. It says for curly hair. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, let me give you a little daily dose of encouragement. My daily dose is today. If the wind is going from right to left or front to back, north to south to west to east or east to west or whatever the wind's going, go with the flow. Go with the flow. Whatever it is, blend in. Just try to take it one little bit at a time. I know we've been on different things in our lifetimes, like trips, or we've been with friends, or we've been with family, or we've done, and it's not going exactly like you want it to go, but enjoy it and look at the positive in it. When you leave a function or dinner or a family gathering or something of someone or with whatever it might be, do you look at the positive that happened in that particular thing that happened, or are you looking for the negative? Look for the positive. Look what Aunt so-and-so, Aunt Hazel gave you. Look what Aunt so-and-so, whoever your aunt is, and just say, what you really love about being with the family. Don't get in the car, especially if you've got kids in the back, and you'll start talking and picking apart this one or that one or everything. But start your kids or start your grandchildren that they all know that you're going to talk nothing but positive about family or friends. And that will make them be the same way. I promise. So think of the good stuff that went on, not the bad stuff. If that, like I said, if that wind was going from one way, you can't change that direction in one way or the other. You look at the positive. Just a thought. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And if you don't get a smile back, it's okay. You smiled. It makes you feel good on your insides, I promise. Until tomorrow, be kind. I love you. And I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? Until tomorrow.